Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie's daughter Vivienne publishes newspaper ad to drop Pitt from her last name. Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie's daughter Vivienne has taken the next step toward dropping Pitt from her name. According to Los Angeles County Superior Court documents obtained by People, the 18-year-old, one of 6 children Pitt, 62, and Jolie, 51 share, now has proof of publication, confirming her intent to change her name. Vivienne published a legal notice in the Los Angeles Daily Journal that she intends to change her name from Vivienne Marcheline Jolie-Pitt to Vivienne Marcheline Jolie, a required step in California law. Vivienne's legal notice was published on July 24th, July 31st, August 7th, and August 14th, according to court documents. The request has not yet been granted. Next steps include a court hearing, set for November 2nd, to further discuss Vivienne's petition. Court documents regarding Vivienne's proof of publication noted that any person who objects to the name change must file a written objection that includes the reason for the objection at least 2 court days before the matter is scheduled to be heard. That person or persons must also appear in person at the court hearing. Vivienne filed the initial petition requesting that her legal name be changed from Vivienne Marcheline Jolie-Pitt to Vivienne Marcheline Jolie in Los Angeles County Superior Court on July 21st, per court documents obtained by People at the time. Vivienne listed the reason for the name change as personal in those court documents. The filing marks Vivienne's latest public move to distance herself from the Pitt surname. In May 2024, Vivienne was credited as Vivienne Jolie in the playbill for Broadway's The Outsiders, which she helped produce alongside her mother. Her newspaper ad also comes roughly 1 month after her siblings Zahara, 21, and Maddox, 25, filed the same notice to drop Pitt from their names and published similar notices in the LA Daily Journal in order to comply with California law. Zahara's hearing regarding her name change petition is scheduled for September 28th, while Maddox's hearing is scheduled for September 14th. Zahara dropped her father's last name while walking across the stage at her graduation from Spelman College on May 17, 2026. She was listed as Zahara Marley Jolie-Pitt on the commencement program, but her name was read as Zahara Marley Jolie when she walked across the stage. In August 2024, People also confirmed that Jolie's daughter Shiloh, who was born Shiloh Nouvelle Jolie-Pitt, had legally changed her name to Shiloh Jolie. Shiloh, now 20, filed to change her surname on May 27th of that year, which was also the then-teen's 18th birthday. Shiloh's attorney, Peter Levine, spoke at the time of this significant decision, calling her a young adult who has made an independent and significant decision following painful events and is merely following legal process. This is the result of a prolonged campaign of alienation of children against their parent, a source close to Pitt told People in July 2026. It's an incredibly sad reality, but it's not surprising after years of one parent weaponizing the children against the other one with no regard for the consequences. Vivienne, who was born alongside her twin brother, Knox, in July 2008, is the youngest of Jolie and Pitt's 6 children. In 2024, a source told People that Pitt has virtually no contact with his adult children. At the time, he still had visitation with his younger kids, but they have all since become legal adults.